Hey friends, it's Miss Withers with Unit 8, Week 3, Day 5 word work. We are still working with variant vowels. So our learning targets for today are read, spell, and identify words with variant vowels with the sound oo and represented with oo, ew, ue, ould, and ull. And use strategies to identify prefixes and suffixes as well as base words to identify word meaning. So our focus example for today is misunderstood. First, let's count the syllables. Misunderstood. Misunderstood. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 syllables. Wow, that's awesome. I know that the prefix is miss, which means not, and understood means to get something or to know something or to think something. Misunderstood means probably to not get something, to not understand something, to not be heard, to not be seen. I've heard it in a sentence where we could say, that student felt so misunderstood, meaning that student didn't feel like anyone understood them or was understanding of them. Let's see if we can identify a variant vowel in here. Misunderstood. There it is. Our O. It doesn't make the oo sound, but it makes the sound. I could underline it, or I could also put a nice purple box around it just to highlight that for us. Very good. So, for your jobs today, first you're going to count how many syllables each word has. And actually, this isn't 3. We just counted and it was 4. Misunderstood. Then you're going to put a box around the variant vowel spelling in each word. So you see I have it right here, the sound that we did. And you're going to find the variant vowel in each one of these. Then you are going to sort the words with context in these sentences. So the words that you're going to be using are misunderstood, overdue, troubleshoot, renewing, and livelihood. And here are the sentences. I am blank my license. It is expired. I am having trouble with my camera. I am going to blank some solutions. I have an blank book. It is late. My sister is so blank. I should listen to her more. I sell water bottles to support my blank. So drag those over and then you will submit. Good luck.